Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to play Subway Surfers multiplayer with friends. Want to play Subway Surfers with friends? Well, there's no real-time multiplayer. You can still compete. Just link your game to Facebook, Google Play Games, or Apple Game Center. This syncs your progress and shows your friends on the weekly leaderboard, so you can compete for high scores. If your friends are on Facebook, they'll show up automatically once you're connected. It's not live co-op, but it's a fun way to challenge each other. There's also a spin-off called Subway Surfers Tag on Apple Arcade, which has multiplayer style gameplay, mostly versus bots for now. You'll need an Apple Arcade subscription to try it. For now, leaderboards and weekly challenges are the best way to play with your friends. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.